So you're looking for a plant-based meal prep option that is gluten-free, high in protein, and takes less than 30 minutes to make. Yes! Well, I believe I have just the right option for you with this chickpea pasta salad. Now this goes great as a meal on its own, or it can also be a perfect side dish for your next cookout. Let's take a look at how it's made. So the cool thing about any pasta salad is that all you really have to do is boil the pasta, chop your ingredients, and combine everything together. The star of this recipe is this chickpea rotini, which is made solely with, of course, chickpeas. So it's naturally gluten-free as well as high in protein. Now in terms of your other ingredients, feel free to use whatever you'd like. You don't have to use everything that we're using here. You'll also notice that I've pre-chopped our veggies. Now to me, there's nothing like a pasta salad with a good Italian dressing. This is one that I found that actually has some added probiotics for some gut support. So first we're going to boil our pasta. I didn't show it here, but I ended up using almost 2 boxes worth to give us the amount that we needed. Next, I decided to blend up our pistachios into some smaller pieces in the blender for a bit. Again, this is totally optional. And from here, it was time to build out our salads. Now, we decided to use jars, but feel free to use whatever containers you'd like. And as I'm building these, the 2 jars on the left are for myself, and the 2 jars on the right are for my wife, Adrienne. She doesn't really prefer the olives, the feta cheese, or the sun-dried tomatoes, so I'm leaving those out of hers. But hey, for me, those are ingredients that I definitely love. If you're someone who is dairy-free or vegan, you can certainly leave out the feta cheese or opt for a vegan version. And as you can see here, I decided to chop the spinach. That reduces the surface area so that I could add more in. And of course, had to top everything off with some hemp seeds for some added protein. And so I ended up having enough ingredients left to make 1 more jar, so you see that I'm building that out right now. You can easily store these in the fridge to eat throughout the week. Now, one thing I'd recommend is that you wait to put on your salad dressing until the day that you're about to eat it so that you avoid it getting soggy. But it's really as simple as that, y'all. Now, one of the fun parts about building any salad in a jar is scooping it out into a bowl or plate like you see here. I mean, it's just so amazing how it all comes together. All of the ingredients that you put down on the bottom end up landing on the top, and just look at this, y'all. This looks absolutely amazing. And of course, it's super high in protein, as you can see here. I just love the combination of the sun-dried tomatoes, the black olives, feta cheese, the pistachios, the onions, the red bell peppers. Everything just plays such a key role in this. And then of course the Italian dressing just brings it all together. I mean, y'all, this is an absolute winner any time of year. Now, we actually have another pasta recipe that uses red lentil pasta. If you want to check out that recipe, then click on this video that you see here in the top right, and we'll see you over there. Peace.